So the 5K was just a thought back in the fall, actually in the summer when we were doing our year-to-glance calendar, and just planning with some of the teachers here and some of the things that came to be. I got with one of our assistant principals, Miss Iwan, and she did some legwork for me to get some of that history. We brought it all together, and here we are.
Yeah, so we brought back an old 5K that we did before COVID, and it was a big school fundraiser, grades benefit, clubs benefit, and our PTA also benefits. So all of those people benefit in one event, which is pretty cool.
That is benefiting our PTA. We're relaunching our PTA, so we're super excited to be fundraising to kind of get that launched and running again.
All of the teachers who have been here before were super pumped about it. Obviously the kids had no idea. And so we started this by figuring out the route, figuring out how we wanted to do this, what we wanted to bring back, and what we might want to change for this upcoming year. And then we put together our committee, our team, and just made some decisions, and here we are.
At the time, but we are going to start dismissing the runners.
I had the privilege of seeing the last year of the 5K. That was my first year teaching here at DeLay. And the first year we had 30 students run, about 30. I was looking at some old pictures, and now we have like 170 kids signed up to run and community members. So this is a super exciting moment to bring back the 5K again, and seeing all like the joy on the staff that have been here for longer than 5 years, and the kids getting hyped up about it. It's amazing.
It has definitely been seeing the excitement of the kids. We had a way bigger turnout of people registering to run this year than we had anticipated, or there has been in years past, and so it has been really exciting to see how everyone is reacting to this 5K.
I think that my favorite part about the process has just been seeing like the community rally and like our campus rally to support the cause, and just really turn it into the event that it is today.
We get to share our own story, and I think that's really cool because you know, they're getting to share their fitness, and as well as like positive interactions with community members, district leaders, and their parents, which is really cool. We have lots of parents running in the event today too.
I'm just looking forward to having a good time. I'm just looking forward to people having fun, enjoying themselves, making school again with some of the activities and the events that, you know, bring the community in, parents in, teachers and kids all together.